Let's start here, guys. This is my formal dining room, currently all cleaned and waiting for Thanksgiving dinner setup, and also waiting for Christmas tablescape. So my dining room table is from American Furniture Warehouse, and the chairs are also from the same location. Now, guys, this is not a set. I bought the chairs differently from the table because I like these chairs better, and it's very affordable. Each chairs were about $48 and the table was about $110. The runner on the table is beautiful, guys. It's from Target, but I got it at Goodwill. It was brand new and it's a blue tag. Like I mentioned, this is going to be an affordable house store. And my flowers were from the dollar store. The flowers are floral arrangement, and the vase the flowers are in is from Goodwill, guys. I know, right? Don't you just love it? All this table is just very affordable. And guys, I just love this credenza or buffet, whatever you call it. You can use it as a TV stand, entryway table. It's up to you. It's also from American Furniture Warehouse. Guys, the candle and the candle holder is from Goodwill. And my two-piece, this was a set, is from Burlington or Ross. I'm not sure. And if you need a video on everything that's in there, I can definitely do it for you guys. But this is what it looks like. And guys, I'm so sorry guys if you hear any noise. My kids are downstairs while I film this video. But let's continue, guys, and sorry for the glare. It's very sunny outside. But yes, guys, this is my formal living room. And if you wanted to see what this looks like before, you can definitely look at my formal living room video, or I can link it below, guys. My couch is from Facebook Marketplace. I had 4 of these right here, and I love them, you know, but I wanted something new, something cozy here. I want us to come lay here and watch some TV. We couldn't do that with the previous couch because there was a sitting area instead of like a lounging area, and I want this to be a very cozy area. So this couch is from Facebook Marketplace. I don't know the brand, but it was brand new. The people used it for 6 months and they were moving. My what is this vase called? I am losing it, I can't remember, but this is from Target, but I got it at Goodwill. It's a blue tag for $9.99. My throw blanket was a gift from my mom, and the 2 gold pillows on the side were from Home Goods. The metal 2 pillows were from Walmart, and then the middle pillow came with the couch. So we're gonna come to the table, guys. This table is not a new addition, it's been here before. My table is from I'm sorry, I was gonna say Facebook Marketplace. I'm so used to that place. But this table is from American Furniture Warehouse. So is my rug. If you're interested, the center decor, I believe, is from Pier 1. But I got it at Goodwill, just in case you thought I paid Pier 1 prices for things. No. And my chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse. And the pillows right here are the same pillows for the couch. It came with 3 and I just put 1 right there. This is the other side. This is what it looks like when you stand in the other side, and I just think this is really pretty, guys. That's just my opinion, maybe because it's my house. But I feel like it's very cozy, and before it was beautiful as well, but this is my favorite so far. And guys, these 2 recliners were from Facebook Marketplace. I told you this was affordable house store, and right here I bought these 2 for about $75 if I'm not mistaken. I took the 2 pillows off there. They didn't match and I didn't care for them. And as you know, I'm going the minimalistic route, so less is more for me. This looks very cozy and comfortable for me just as it is. No need to add anything else. My table is from Goodwill, you guessed it, guys. And I always thought about painting this table, but I had a couple of friends who told me not to, so I'm gonna leave them as it is. But my thought is to paint it black. I'm sorry, white, it's already black. And my beautiful flower is from HomeKit. And my rug is also from Facebook Marketplace, guys. This is a shaggy rug and I love it. It was brand new, very affordable. She sold it for $25. So I was very much appreciative of that find. Guys, right here I'm looking to add a TV stand. So far this is what it is. Let's go into the wall. My 2 art decor. I had a stager come to my house because she was trying to buy something and she told me she has the exact same thing, and I was thinking, girl, you and I did not pay the same price for this. These 2 were a set at Goodwill. I bet they're not Goodwill. I believe they're Burlington or Ross, but they were $10 as a set, but that day was a 50% off, so the $10 became $5. So let's say this is $2.50 each. I know, and they're huge, and the camera does not do justice, I promise you. This also is from Goodwill. I love this because the red in there is picking up the red that is in the flower right here, and up here it's going to be my red Christmas tree. So stay tuned for that video for upstairs here with the Christmas video coming very soon. We're already in November, I know, right? Thank you so much, guys, for coming over to this comfortable and cozy house tour for my formal living room. If you're new here, please click on that subscribe button. If you're oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you. We are a small family here, but we are growing fast. So I would love for you to be part of my family. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you all. Bye, guys.